Hey all, running a service business, whether it's HVAC, cleaning, landscaping, or plumbing, means staying organized, scheduling jobs, and getting paid quickly. But when it comes to software, two names always comes up: Jobber.com and Housecall Pro. In this video, I will break down both tools featuring pricing, ease of use, mobile apps, and real customers, pros and cons, so you can decide which one is best for you. Let's get started. Both Jobber and Housecall Pro are all-in-one service business management platform. They are designed for businesses that do on-site job, home service, repair, installation, maintenance, you name it, and they do it. So Jobber focus on a small to medium field service businesses with tools like coding, scheduling and client communication. And on the other hand, Housecall Pro is slightly more advanced, targeting growth teams with tools like dispatch, GPS tracking, marketing, and automation. Let's talk about ease of use. Because of the last thing you need is software that slow you down. Jobber has a very clean user friendly dashboard, and you can see here, right, it designed for simplicity. If you want to create a code, you can just go and click on press, and here you can create a code, client, request, job, invoice, just from a single click. Right, you can assign your team and send an invoice all within a few click. If you want a complete video for explaining each and every feature, there's a video in our channel, you can check out that. House Call Pro is also intuitive but more feature dense. It designed for businesses that want automation. Then there is a real-time update and more control, so there's a slightly higher learning curve. Now here, if I just talk about the verdict, Jobber wins for simplicity because it's really easy to use, very simple. Housecall Pro wins for power users. Right, now let's talk about the next section, which is core features compare. Let's do a feature by feature breakdown. So very first thing, that is a scheduling and dispatch. Both tools offer drag and drop calendars, and here you can see there's a timesheet, right, and you can team assignment and real-time update. But House Call Pro adds GPS tracking and automated technician reminders, great for large team. Now there's an estimate and invoicing, so both let you to create invoice because that's an integral part of it, and send professional estimates, convert them to job, and generate invoices, which you can see, which is pretty easy to do. Now Jobber templates are more customizable, with while Housecall Pro support batch invoicing and one-click payment. Right, both supports credit, cash, and ACH payment. Housecall Pro integrates with QuickBooks better and also offer instant payout with Housecall Pro payments. Jobber shines here with the automation codes, which is regarding customer communication, follow-ups, job reminders, client self-service portal. Housecall Pro doesn't have customer texting, which I don't know why they don't have this, but there's a review request and automated thank yous. Right, and let's talk about the mobile application. So yeah, both have strong mobile apps for iOS and Android. Tech can view jobs, clock in, out, take photos, and update and job status. Right, and overall Housecall Pro has a deeper dispatching and marketing tools, but Jobber is smoother for client facing and communication. So let's talk about this subscription here. Here you can see this is for of the Jobber, and you can select here individual and team, and the monthly is annually, and you can see here the price is according to whatever subscriptions and plans they are providing. If I talk about the house call, so house call pro, the basic plan is around, you can see $59, and essential 169, and max is 299. You can come to this website or pause this video and you can check each and every review. Jobber is slightly more affordable for small teams here, but house call pro scales better for large crew and advanced features. So let's summarize. Jobber, what's the pros, right? So Jobber has a clean UI, excellent customer communication, flexible coding and follow-ups, great mobile app. And the cons are basically lack advanced GPS or route optimization, fewer built-in marketing tools. House Call Pro, the pros are basically strong automation and dispatch, built-in marketing, right, and review requests, GPS tracking and team communication, instant payout available. There's a cons are basically slightly more complex to set up, higher cost for advanced plan. So in short, Jobber is a simple, cleaner, and great for small teams. House Call Pro is richer, more powerful idea for scaling. So choose Jobber if you are a small or solo operator. You need clean codes, fast scheduling, and great customer experience. You want to keep it simple without skipping essential features. Now choose House Call Pro if you have a growing team. You want dispatch, GPS marketing, and automation all in one place. You need QuickBooks Sync, instant payments, or customer texting at scale. In short, the conclusion is both are great tools, but your decision depends on your team size, workflow, and how much automation you need. So there you have it, Jobber versus House Call Pro, head to head. Link to free trials, both are in the description. Drop a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.